work. Probably you are working with someone else and you need to bring in what the person has done, or you actually have another file and you want to bring it into your work. Then this is where external reference comes in. So look, then the shortcut for external reference is sref. Type sref. I have the shortcut for external reference. And if you look at the insert tab, then here we have the external reference panel as well, where some of the features, some of the ribbons to carry out the external reference can be found. And for short, I'll just type the sref and hit enter. Then I'll have a dialog box, an external reference manager box that will display on my screen, and from the box I'll be able to attach any other file I want to reference with for my current drawing. So this is currently telling me that I'm currently opening a document here. So, and the name of the document, which is the work we have done on here, is Skillshare, right now. And this is the size, telling us the status, it is open. This is the size, it is current, and the date that it was done. Right now, if I click on this docker here, this is telling me about some other types of file that could be attached to our drawing. So we can actually say attach a DWG file, knowing that AutoCAD is a DWG file. The extension for AutoCAD is DWG. So we can bring in an AutoCAD file into this drawing. Likewise, we can attach an image into the drawing, be it JPEG or PNG of any type. We can bring in an image and some various other view of drawing as well, DWF, DGF, also a PDF file and cloud points. So these are the type of file that we can actually attach to our drawing using the external reference option. Then here, by the time we bring in some drawing, we can refresh this place or to reload all references that are attached to this drawing in case they are not showing. So right now I will be attaching a file to this drawing. So let us look at that. So first, I would love to attach an image, and it will take me to my browser where I can browse for the image I want to bring in. So under my document, so I would just come to Skillshare. Then now I will be able to bring out an image. In this folder, I have a PDF file also in this folder, but because the pathway for this, what leads to this pathway was image, so that is why the only file I can see in this document is an image, right? So I'm going to bring this out right now. Click on OK. So once I've done that, then I can either specify on screen or not. I would love to specify on screen. Do I want to scale it? You can either scale it, or you can input your scale factor from it here, or you can say no, you want to specify it on screen. Or as well, you can also rotate it on the screen if you want, and if you don't want. So if I click here, showing us more of the details of what I'm about to bring in, right? Then I'll click OK. So once I've done that, and I'll be able to bring in this, I can see insert, specify insertion point. So if I click that, then scale factor, I can input my scale factor. So I'll just, knowing that this will be very big, so I'll just have to reduce it a bit. So I consider my scale factor to be 0.2. Click enter. So I have this, right? So now this is what I currently have. I've been able to bring this image into this file, right? Also, likewise, if we should look, we can as well bring in a PDF file. Like I said earlier on, these are the type of file type that we can import into this drawing. Then if I click on attach PDF, for instance, now coming back to this Skillshare, I now have a PDF because that is what the pathway I went through, right? So now this is telling me that okay, I have just one page. It's trying to preview this, so I'll open my PDF file. Then once I've done that, then this come, oh, I have 3 pages. So it's telling me that I have 3 pages of this. Now you can decide to pick any page you want from the PDF. So if you have a PDF file that has many pages, you can pick one that you want to import into the drawing. But in a situation like this, I love to import every. Then I'll click OK. So I'll be importing 3 of them. So I should specify insertion point for page 2. You could see that. Then for page 3, you see. So I have them differently, and it has attached them differently here, right? So here you can decide to refresh. Probably what you bring in is not displaying. You can refresh, you can reload as well. So I'm going to click. Now these are the PDF file that I import into this drawing, right? So with external reference, you can bring in someone else's work or your own work that you've done in the previous place. You can bring it in. Now if I click on this image, right, if I select it, I have option on how I want it to appear on my screen. So it's currently telling me that this is an external reference. So I can decide to show the image or put it on back. Then I can increase my brightness for you to see that, or decrease it. I think it's more better now this way. Then the contrast, see that if you want it to fade away, and hold this. Then for the PDF as well, I'll click escape out of that. PDF as well, the same thing you can do to it as well. You can decide how do you want to display it. Do you want to display it monochrome or not? But knowing that this is already in monochrome for me, so it soon affects that, right? So like I said earlier, these are the type of file that you can attach to your PDF, right? So your drawing rather. So I'm sure you'll be able to get this done whenever you are doing any project that you need to actually reference some other people's work or your own work. Thank you for watching.